Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
How to sell directly from Facebook. Welcome to Technic Force. Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Facebook into an online marketplace and how you can use the power of social media and Facebook in particular to start selling. The first thing that you need to do is go on facebook.com and sign up. Once you sign up, you would have to make a business account. So we've already done that. I'm going to show you our business account and how you can actually convert your business account into a shop account. So this is our business account over here. Now our business page is Technic Force Growth Hacking School. And as you scroll down, there's a lot of information on it. And one of the major things that I keep in mind that Facebook has a lot of users and a lot of individuals are using Facebook every single day. And these are potential customers that you can convert into lifelong customers and actually push your products out and get people involved. And use Facebook as a platform to actually advertise, to promote, and to sell products and services online. So how do you do that? Once you have made your page and you want to change your page, you would go to Settings. Now once you go to Settings, there are different options available from page visibility. Visitor post, and story sharing and messages and tagging abilities. All these elements are available, but the major thing that you want to keep in mind is the fact that you want to change the template for it. So right now we have a normal template. When we click on template, this is our current template, which is for business, but we want to change this. We're going to hit the edit button. And once we go to the edit button, there's going to be different elements where it's going to be venues, nonprofits, politicians, services, public figures, restaurants, cafes, shopping, video page, and standard. Now, something that you gotta keep in mind is the fact that if you are a particular business that you're making YouTube videos or you're doing video content, the video page is something you'd go for. If you're doing something for restaurants or cafes and you want the information about your menus, hours, and location, that is something you would click because the whole template is going to change. The Facebook look is going to change and it's going to cater to that particular need that you have, but since we're selling products and services, we'll change it to shopping. So we're going to click over here. It will give us a breakdown of what a template is going to look like. We're going to apply the template, and once we apply the template, it's going to show you the way it's changed. We're going to go back right now to our homepage. As you can see, the template has been changed. So now you can clearly see that we have the option called Shop. When we click the option Shop, it will give us the breakdown of our shop. So we're going to set up our shop and we can showcase our products. And once we've added the inventory, you'll be able to group the products and the theme to make individuals easy to shop at a glance. The second thing is, it would be very easy to buy from a particular page because the customers can browse the products and services on Facebook or Instagram and check out straight from here exactly what they want to buy. And we can customize the shop as well. We're going to go to e-commerce and we gotta go to e-commerce manager. It will give us a complete breakdown of creating our shop. So we can start selling on Facebook, on Instagram, or both. And the shop can be discovered on Instagram and Facebook as well. There can be a fast and secure checkout with a zero subscription phase and a simple inventory management. On the left-hand side, we have different methods for checkout methods for sales or previews. So we're going to start from the Get Started and we're going to hit Next. But if you're already selling Shopify, you can get your partnership over here and you can start selling on Shopify or another partner platform and create your shop by importing and syncing your products. You'll be directed to complete a setup based on the platform that you use. And obviously you can test your API integration as well and create a test shop. So once we do that, we can hit Next. Now when we hit Next, we will have an option of a checkout on another website or checkout on Facebook or Instagram. We're going to do Facebook and Instagram checkout. When we click on this, we can turn on the Shop Pay by Shopify as a payment method. The terms of the service of Shopify is going to be available over here. This is only available for the US-based businesses, and you can check out with messaging if you want as well, and you can select that. So let's select the checkout with messaging, and once we do that, we can go next, and when we hit next, they will tell us where do you want to sell from. So we're going to say we'll sell from Technic Force Growth Hacking School, or you can also create a page by clicking over here. Once we have selected that, we're going to say next, and as we hit next, we can create a business account as well. If you want to create a business account, we place over here, and we're going to put the name of our business account manager. Once we put the business name account manager and the business email address, we're going to hit create. Once we create it, it will now give us the element of where do you want to deliver. So basically, there's a lot of countries over here. So let's say we can deliver to the United States of America. So let's click on that. That's perfectly okay now. Then we'll hit next. And obviously by hitting next, it's going to give us a preview of our sales channel, our checkout methods, our delivery destinations, and all the information over here. So basically by submitting this, your shop is going to review. Of course, let's finish the setup. Now our element is done and we can start inventory reviews or common reviews. We're going to publish our shop. Now our overview is ready for our shop over here. We can start adding new items. We'll be able to add by manual, by data feed from Pixel as well. So add manually and we're going to hit next. When we hit next, we can start adding a new item. We can add as many items as we want over here and we can delete them. The items, we can add variants or duplicate the items as well. We can put the name of the particular item that we have. We can put the description of it over here. We're just going to put ABC right now. And we can put the link that we want to connect it to. And we can put the price that we want as well. So let's put a link for it. And obviously we have the price over here. We can change the currency as well. So we can put USD dollars. It's going to be for $10. We can put the sale price if you want to. It's optional. The other thing that we can put is the category that we want. In the condition is going to be what the state is, the availability, the brand, the content ID. All these elements are available. Now, the other thing which is very important, which a lot of individuals forget, which I want to mention over here, that you need to add images when you click over here. We can add the images. You can choose from your file. You can drop it as well. So we'll select a particular item as well. So we select an item over here and then hit open. Once we hit open, the image is going to be uploaded. We'll save it and then we will upload the item. Once we upload the item over here, you will be able to see the item that's going to be available. This is a very simple methodology step by step. If you follow it, you'll be able to convert and create a selling page for your products and services. This is a very important method that you can use because the social media power right now is massive. And as you can see here, once we save it, we can see that it's in stock, there's no variance, and the price is going to be $10 that is going to be available. Now, the other thing that you can do, you can use filters to check the attributes if it's available. Gender conditions, brand, Google product categories, price, dynamic ads, and the shops and marketplace as well. On the left-hand side, which is very important, which I want to show you guys, is the overview. So basically, it will give you a breakdown of your products, customizing your shop, and publishing your shop. And then you would have your insight and the categories that you have the action needed. Announcements, there's going to be over here, the shop, and any guidance that you want. When you go to shops, you will see the shops that are available for you under your name. You can edit it and see where the channels are, if the state is active or inactive. You can run ads as well. And the best thing I personally feel is the insight that you get off your products, off your shop. The breakdown of information of how your shop's performance is and what top tag content is available. And you can see how many visitors and followers that you're having and what products they're engaging with. So based on the information, you can do a lot of things and actually increase your productivity and efficiency. If you go back to our overview, when we click on publish our shop, it will take us to the next page over there and we'll see the shop builder. Let's get started. And this is what our shop is going to look like. And we're going to add collections. When we click on add collections, we're going to select this one over here and that's going to be made available. And once we add the content, and obviously now it's available, we're going to hit confirm. We have to write a short description for our collection. So we're going to say this is a collection for travel and we're going to confirm it. And once we confirm it, this is going to be available in our shop. So as you can see over here, this is our collection and we can edit it. We can recommend it. We can add a title for it. So we're going to hit a title over here. And once we write the title, you'll see the title being updated on the left-hand side for our particular option. So once we have done that, we are going to hit save. And once it has been saved, we will go back to our page. So this is what our product is going to look like. And once someone clicks on that product, they'll be able to see the description of it. And you can change the description as well. Let's go back to our homepage. So after you've done all of that, we will exit the builder. And once we exit the builder, we'll go to our e-commerce manager. And over here, there's going to be different elements. If you want to add multiple accounts to manage, you can search for accounts, then add them. So that will be able to manage your assets as well. This is a very easy way to use Facebook and use Facebook to enhance your business, your organization, and sell online on Facebook and convert your customers and convert your viewers, your followers into lifelong customers. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one. Here's something you shouldn't miss before we wrap up this video. Say goodbye to traffic woes and start driving quality traffic today. Make any business profitable with lower ad costs, higher conversions from Facebook ads, get leads, buyers, make sales, and outperform every competitor in any niche with Adplify. Adplify gives you the value of 7 powerful Facebook SaaS products in one insane package. Page Watcher, Track Competitor, or Guru Ads. Hidden Audience Finder, get cheaper clicks and better ROI. Behavioral Retargeter, get higher conversions with behavioral retargeting. Page Targeter, get market intelligence in audiences from competitor pages. Email List to Audience, continuous retargeting for your autoresponder list, and a lot more. So track Adplify now. Go to getadplify.in. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.